In week seven, our goal was creating a pricing strategy around the objectives that was generated from week five. Recall that our three goals from week five was improving the water supply reliability, enhancing water sustainability to avoid operational breakdown, and fostering innovation in water management. In order to deliver on these three specific objectives, we chose a pricing strategy that will not only drive actions that will benefit the company, but environment at large. We chose a value-based pricing, which is a strategy that aligns the price of the service or product with the perceived value that it provides to the customer, rather than solely basing it on the cost to produce it or market prices. Because Ecom Solutions is a niche marketing consultancy, this strategy guarantees ongoing partnerships by way of quantifying value for what the client receives. This value-based pricing approach, we not only aim to reflect the basic value of water sustainability in our fees, but also to ensure our pricing model encourages our clients to prioritize and invest in innovative water management solutions.
To elaborate more on the value-based pricing strategy, for our first objective, the measurement is to track the reduction in water-related disruptions in the client operations. The value in this is that the value in this is to implement a pricing premium for the solutions that ensure the uninterrupted water supply, reflecting the high value of the operational continuity. For the second objective, the measurement is to monitor the decrease in clients' water consumption post the implementation of our strategies. The value is offered tier pricing that incentivizes clients to adopt more extensive water saving measures, aligning costs with the level of the sustainability achieved. And for our last objective, the measurement is to assess the adoption of new water management technologies among our clients. The value is to create pricing models that also rewards early adopters of the innovative solutions and fostering a market for cutting-edge water efficiency practices.
So the value-based pricing, the rationale there was simple. I'm just going to take the first goal that we have of improving water supply reliability and explain kind of how we develop that. So first, let's say what we normally would do in that scenario is create a cost-benefit analysis that finds that a client can save, let's say, $500,000. We then basically, they save $500,000 by implementing the plan that we suggest, and that from that, we would charge a 20% premium or $100,000. So that's how we come up with those. That's kind of our formula for coming up with how we would then charge a customer for our services. And again, we tie our earnings to their overall goals and the value of what they see that we do for the company.
Now let's take a look at the decision matrix. We have the following promotional strategies: digital marketing, industry-based conferences, influencers, traditional print media, and we have corporate social responsibility. And the criteria that we judged these strategies off of were trustworthiness, cost effectiveness, reach of appropriate market, likability, and use of resources. We used the 1 to 5 ranking scale, 1 being least effective and 5 being the most effective. And after ranking each strategy, we came up with our top 3, which includes digital media, influencers, and corporate social responsibility.
So with those 3, wrapping up, digital media, of course, from our first objective, can be spread information quickly. Influencers can endorse and amplify the message, and the CSR programs can provide practical demonstrations of reliable water management. Second objective, influencers can shift consumer or corporate behavior towards more sustainable practices. Digital media can provide more resources and knowledge needed for the shift, and CSR programs can establish partnerships to lead operational improvements. Overall, we felt that all of our goals were aligned with the objectives that we created successfully, and we thought that this was a great exercise in getting us prepped for week 8. Thank you.